Hi, Barrow Buddies. I hope you're doing well. I miss seeing all of you every day and hope to see you soon. I wanted to send this video along about the riddle of the day that you probably noticed on our weekly lesson plan. It's at the bottom. It's an optional activity, but I want to encourage whoever wants to give it a try to go for it. They're really neat riddles, but they're also very challenging riddles. So it's going to take some perseverance. I just wanted to show you what the video looks like. It'll give you the problem, and then it will give you a chance to pause, and it looks like this. So it'll pause to give you a chance to work on it, and then it will work through the solution with you. Okay, so even if you get stuck and you're unable to try it, you'll at least see how it's solvable and how it's solved. But I wanted to encourage you to go through the problem a couple of times, pause along the way, take some notes, write down some important information, and then just give it a try. And then once you've given it a try, then go ahead and see how you can solve it. So let me know if you have any questions and enjoy giving this a try. Hopefully I'll see you soon.